Want to launch an e-commerce website that actually makes money in 2025? Stop right there. Did you know that 73% of people who try to launch an e-commerce site fail within the first year? I'm here to show you why that happens and how you can be part of the winning 27%. First off, let's talk about the brutal truth. Most people get overwhelmed by choices. There are dozens of platforms, hundreds of themes, and everyone claims to have the best solution. The problem isn't that it's too complicated. It's that there's too much noise. Today, I'm cutting through that noise and giving you the exact blueprint that works. When launching your e-commerce website, planning is everything. Here are the 4 non-negotiables you need to nail down. First, market research. You need to know who you're selling to before you build anything. Use Google Trends, check out your competitors, and actually talk to potential customers. Second, define your target audience. Are you selling to busy moms, tech enthusiasts, or fitness fanatics? Get specific. The more targeted you are, the easier everything else becomes. Third, set smart objectives. Don't just say, "I want to make money." Be specific. I want to generate $10,000 in revenue in my first 90 days with a % conversion rate. Fourth, create your development roadmap. Map out exactly what needs to happen and when. This keeps you focused and prevents scope creep. Now, let's dive into how to launch your e-commerce website with a design that converts. Start with wireframes. Think of these as blueprints for your site. Don't worry about colors just yet. Focus on layout and user flow. Choose design elements that build trust. Use colors that match your brand psychology. Blue for trust, green for eco-friendly, red for urgency. Your typography should be readable on mobile. Remember, 60% of e-commerce traffic is mobile. Make navigation brain-dead simple. If grandma can't figure out how to buy from you in 10 seconds, you've lost the sale. Include must-haves like clear product categories, a prominent search bar, a visible shopping cart, and obvious checkout buttons. For functionality, you absolutely need a product catalog with high-quality images, a smooth shopping cart experience, a secure checkout process, user accounts, and search functionality that actually works. Before you launch, testing is critical. Here's your launch checklist. Security first. Get your SSL certificate installed. That little padlock in the browser builds trust, and Google ranks secure sites higher. Test everything twice. Every button, every form, every payment method. Test on different devices and browsers. Nothing kills sales faster than a broken checkout process. Have your customer support ready. When you launch, people will have questions. Set up live chat, an FAQ section, or at minimum, clear contact information. Then launch. Don't wait for perfection. Done is better than perfect. You can improve as you go. Here's where most people fail after launching. They think the work is done. Wrong. Post-launch is where the real money is made. Focus on SEO optimization. Target long-tail keywords like launch the e-commerce website. Update your content regularly. Optimize your product descriptions and build quality backlinks. Implement marketing automation. Set up email sequences for abandoned carts, welcome new customers, and re-engage past buyers. This can increase your revenue by 30%. Regular maintenance is key. Update your inventory, refresh your content, and fix any bugs immediately. A maintained site converts 40% better than a neglected one. Track your metrics obsessively. Conversion rate, average order value, customer lifetime value. What gets measured gets managed. Thousands of people successfully launch e-commerce websites every month using this exact process. The difference between success and failure isn't luck. It's following a proven system. Your first customer is out there right now, searching for exactly what you want to sell. Stop planning, stop researching, and start building. Your e-commerce empire starts with that first step. What's the one thing holding you back from launching your e-commerce website? I read every single comment, and I'll help you solve it. Keep building, keep selling, and keep growing.